My name is Jeff Keller, and I'm from Orlando, Florida. Clever has changed my life tremendously. It's opened my eyes in the real estate field to know how to do the deals, do them with integrity. It's been a positive experience, trying to relate all the information that Cody has given us to bring to the table and present it to prospective buyers and stuff like that. My experience with the program has been wonderful. Very hands-on. Everybody is here to help each other out. Has been great. Great mentors. They're always willing to help. They may not be your personal mentor, but Torsten, my personal mentors, Tom, they've all been willing to answer any questions that I've present. So it's been really wonderful. The mentorship program, it's wonderful because any question that you have, you can run through them. Like if you get stuck up in a deal, if something looks like it's going sideways, you can call up your mentor and be like, hey, this is what's going on. They will walk you through the steps on how to overcome any obstacles. They're always there for you, no matter what time of day it is. I mean, they're a wonderful group of people. He has helped me overcome some obstacles by just being a leader. I mean, just, giving his advice. That I haven't had any obstacles yet, but just the leadership that he's given me has actually led me into the right directions and like what questions to ask and stuff like that, so I don't get caught up into the obstacles. Cody is a phenomenal person. He is like beyond. It's hard to really describe Cody. His mind is constantly going. He's great. Like even if you bring up something, he's like, he thinks of a different way to approach it, and it's a wonderful, wonderful fresh mind to have somebody who thinks outside the box. His leadership and his teaching skills. I mean, he doesn't move on until you fully grasp what's going on. Just for example, the hands-on that we've got. We went out to 2 of his rehabs. Hands-on. He presented us in front of his project manager. We were able to ask the project manager questions. It's stuff like that makes this program so wonderful because he took the time out of his day. I mean, he could be making more deals, on real estate, but yet he said, what, my business is aside now. I'm here focused on you and you only, and I'm not going to leave until you get everything that you get out of it. Back in April, I purchased Cody's program, went through the fast track, did all the stuff that I needed to, got the counseling call, and then that's when they signed me up to be the mentor program as well. And then here I am today. So the training in the fast track is wonderful piece. He holds nothing back whatsoever. He has videos upon videos upon videos. He gives you the programs that you need to work on. He gets all the material in the fast track. So I mean, he pretty much takes his book, lays it open, and you're just turning the pages, learning like the whole entire time, and it's wonderful. I would tell them to actually do a lot of research on it because the bottom line is Cody's for real. He will do whatever it takes to make sure that you succeed. He cares about his students. He cares about how you succeed in life because that's what builds up his reputation. It's like, if he sees a struggling student, he's going to help them out. So I would tell him, just to do the research, pay the little money that it is, go through the systems, because until you actually go through the system, you will not fully grasp how great this program is.